Hello guys and welcome back. In this section we are going to cover a very basic yet very important topic, which is the list section in the HTML. In the last video we have discussed about the text elements. If you have not watched the video, then just go and check out that video. I will provide a link in the description. Okay, so we all are familiar with the list. So in HTML there are basically three types of list. The first one is the ordered list, second the unordered, and there is also a third type which we call definition list. We all are familiar with the first two types, but there is also a third type. So let us discuss each one. So first of all, what are the ordered list? So ordered list are the list where each item in the list is numbered, or we can say whenever we want to show the priority, then we can use the ordered list. Here we have taken an example of top 5 YouTube channels, as we all know. So it can be a set of steps for a recipe or a legal contract where each point needs to be identified by a section number. Okay, so the next type of list are the unordered list. They are similar to the ordered list, but the only difference is that they do not have any priority or a sequence number. They just begin with a simple bulleted point. So here are the example of 5 famous sports personalities. So this is my choice. So if your choice differs from me, then do let me know in the comment section. I would love to hear it from your side. So the next type of list are the definition list. So definition lists are basically made up of a set of terms along with their actual definition. You can see here like example, computer science definitions. So we have taken here two. One is bug and the second is data security. So that now we are covered with the theoretical portion of what this list are and where we can use. Let us see how we can actually code them in an HTML file. So first let's start with ordered list. So whenever we want to use the ordered list, we can use the open OL and close OL tags. Anything which is included between the open OL and close OL tag, they form an ordered list. Each point, or you can say each element, each step in an ordered list is separated or defined by the li tag. So basically li tag is used for providing next line, you can say. So or when we want a set of lines, then we can use the li tag. So here we can use ol tag in such a manner similar to ol tag are the ul tags. The only difference is that we use here ul instead of ol. The rest of the things are same. Okay, so we can use here different attributes for say designing, but we are going to cover that in the css section of this course. The next type and the important one is the definition list. So basically a definition list consists of three important tags. The very first is the DL tag, the opening DL and the closing DL tag. Whenever we want to use a definition list, we should use this opening and closing DL tag. Anything which is included between the DL tag forms a definition list. Inside the DL tag there is another tag which is the DT tag, or we can say definition tag, definition title tag, which forms the title of the a particular term. And then comes the DD tag, which is for the actual definition of the tag. So that now we have discussed all the basics of the definition list, ordered list and unordered list. Now here there is a quick assignment for you, or you can say a homework which you can try on your own. So what you have to do, you just have to design a web page which looks something like this. And okay, we have forgotten here to discuss an important point, which is the nesting of list. So whenever you use one type of list in another type of list, so that is basically called nesting. So here are the examples of nesting. So first of all, we have used here the ordered list, and inside we have used the unordered list. here also, and here you can see if there is an ordered list, and inside of it there is a definition list. So I have not discussed how you can use nested list, so you can try it on your own, and if you have any doubt or any queries, then you can ask me in the comment section. You can just check out the source code which I will be providing in the description, and you can learn it from there. It is very basic. And okay, so now finally comes the assignment section. So what you have to do, you have to design a web page which looks something like this. Let me just zoom in. Okay, so here first of all there is, we have used the ordered list, and inside we have used the unordered list, and here we have used the definition list. Okay, so that's all for today, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and tell me in the comment section how you like this video, and if you are having any queries or doubts, then also you can just write down in the comment and we will be looking forward to it. Also, if you have not watched other playlist in our channel, then you can just check out from there if you want to learn some new languages. Okay, then see you in the next lecture. Thank you.